Last week, my life kind of got turned upside down, and a plan that I had spent 7 months making all got thrown out the window, and I am suddenly left moving in with my boyfriend now. Okay, so I have to go back over to my place because I'm gonna have to start collecting some stuff so I can slowly move all of my things over. That being said, I don't know what I'm going to grab. I don't know what I have room for. I have no idea. I'm going over with absolutely no plan because, to be completely honest with you, I don't remember half of the shit that I own. So this should be fun. I also have to donate this old crate too. So I think I'm gonna have to do like a donation run. Okay, so my closet in my room is a mess right now, and that is only because it's a space that's technically being shared by 2 people's stuff when there's only room for 1 person's stuff, because my friend is partially moved in. Like I said, he moved out of the other guy's place. So I'm clearing out all of this so that he has room to put his things in. I think what I'm gonna do, because I'm lazy, I'm not even gonna take stuff off of hangers. Let's see. Umbrellas, because I need them. Valentine's Day dress. My suitcase, which actually it might be smart to put clothes in here. This is an art project I'm working on that I haven't touched in months. Okay, I'm just going to shove everything into this bag. And you know what? I'm going to poke a hole. And now this is all tied and the hangers are here, which honestly, I used this method when I moved here initially, and it was really helpful because I was able to unpack within the day. It was super easy. Tim's mom made this scarf for me and I absolutely love it. There's even a matching hat. So, keeping this. Bag 2. All right, I'm just gonna do the exact same thing I did all over again by just poking a hole in one of these bags. All right, there's stuff here that I want to take because this isn't mine, this isn't mine, and this stuff's mine. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go run this stuff out to the car and then see how much space I'm left with. Bro.
What?
I just ran into that f***ing neighbor.
Which one?
The bitch you won. All right, so I am ashamed to admit, but it is a couple of days later and I have left all of my shit in my car. Because to be completely honest with you, I ran out of steam and I've had a lot of work and other stuff I've had going on. So I haven't had time to unpack all of the stuff. So I'm gonna go do that now. So now I have to unpack all of these clothes, and I have to somehow manage to find space in these closets, because Tim doesn't love me. And he said, good luck finding space. We're gonna see how this goes.
Seriously?
What?
I offered to clear out whatever space you wanted. You're just gonna cut that part out, huh?
Well, listen, the convenient part about that is that I never got that on camera. I never actually got it on camera when Tim said take any of these closet spaces that I cleared out for you.
There's 2 closets. I use half of one.
So anyways, Tim doesn't love me, so I'm going to... Anyways, he did clear out space, so now I'm going to utilize it. You look so pretty. Look, you're wearing a little dress. Look how handsome you are. I have Eminem's new song Houdini stuck in my head on repeat now. I just keep hearing it over and over and over again, for no reason, seemingly.
Good song.
It's a very good song. Is it just me that gets like songs stuck in their head over and over and over again till it'll keep you up at night?
The real question, I think everybody gets a song stuck in. The real question is, how long do you get it stuck in your head? Because I get it stuck in my head for like weeks at a time.
Yeah, okay, yes, that's what I want to know. How long does it stay on your head? And are you a type of person where you get stuff stuck in your head over and over again? I'm curious what the general consensus is. Or if we've just got like brain issues.
I need to go up my dosage.
Yeah. I don't know how many of these things I've ever seen you actually wear.
Yeah, it's all like a lot of that needs to go to Goodwill.
Yeah, a lot of it's got dust on it. It smells old.
Yeah.
It's a nice colored shirt.
Thank you.
We need to buy. I guess I should go. This is a laundry basket. So at this point, now that I am done unpacking, I should probably go back to my place, collect the rest of my clothing, and get organized and do all of the stuff. But I'm not going to do that right now because I'm f***ing hungry, so I need to make dinner. So it is officially the next day. After we finished dinner, I ended up just going to bed because I was tired. So now, because I'm really dragging ass here, now I have to go back to my place and get some stuff, and then continue the moving journey. At this point, everything has like fallen down from the shelves, so now it's even messier than before. You're not going to believe what I just found. Actually, you probably don't care, but I have been looking for this. My teeth whitening kit. Which I really want to do right now, but I don't have time. Focus. Focus. Moving can be one of the most stressful things in a person's life, and to be completely honest with you, I'm facing that right now. Granted, I feel grateful that I am able to move little by little and when I have time here and there, because realistically, I don't know how I could possibly do one big move with everything going on in my life right now. Anyway, in case you missed it, last week I explained why I am suddenly moving into my boyfriend's house and why nothing is going to plan. You can find that story right here.